Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at solving systems of equations by elimination. Now keep in mind that you can solve a system of equations many different ways. You could graph them and see where they intersect. You could use the substitution method, or you could use the elimination method. When is the elimination method the best method to use? When both of your equations are in standard form, like the x and the y are on the same side of the equal sign. So this is a great problem for us to use the elimination method. Now, please keep in mind when we're using the elimination method, we need one of the variables to eliminate. That's why it's called that, right? So currently I have a 3y and this one's a 1y. If I were to add these two together, they would not eliminate. So I need the opposite of negative 3y. The opposite of negative 3y would be to positive 3y. So what I need to do is to multiply that first equation, the whole thing, can't just do part of it, by 3. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times y is 3y, and 3 times 4 is 12. The other equation will remain exactly the same. Notice now that the y's are opposite of each other. We have 3y and negative 3y. So to eliminate the y's, we just need to add the two equations together. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. And 12 plus 18 is 30. And when we divide both sides by 5, we have our x value. And remember, in a solution to a system of equations, we always have an x and a y. So we have not finished finding our solution yet. We still need to find the y value. So I'm going to use that first equation. Keep in mind, you can use either of them, okay? I'm going to use that first equation, x plus y equals 4, and I'm going to substitute 6 in for x. Because we know that x equals 6, I can replace x with 6. To get y alone, we get rid of that 6 by subtracting 6 from both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0 on the left, leaving y alone, and 4 minus 6 is negative 2. We have now found the y value as well. So our solution is 6 comma negative 2. That is the point where the two lines intersect at. So keeping in mind, guys, you want to have, if you're trying to get rid of the y values, you needed to multiply that top equation by 3 so that you have opposites, 3y and negative 3y. You could have also chosen to get rid of the x. And if this is positive 2x, then this one would have needed to be negative 2x, and you would have multiplied that top equation by negative 2. So it doesn't matter which variable you eliminate, as long as you make them opposites of each other, like 3 and negative 3 in this equation. If you need any help, let us know. Raise your hand to get help from a teacher.